Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get free stuffs on TEMU, and these are some of the working method. The very first thing is that sign up bonuses. So here when you sign up into your account you will get this kind of bonus, and right, so I got around $100. Okay, every time it's $100 no matter how much you spend, right? So this is a genuine $100 coupon and you can get it now. I can use this coupon to use it from my mobile applications. I mean, from our mobile applications, right? Second thing is that referral programs, and generally this works a lot. So you can refer some of the products, and you will get this, some of the coupons and some of the offers here. Now the third thing is that daily deals and promotion. We got the daily $100 here, right? And let's say if you just go to the here bestseller, right, and Temu Fest. So in the Temu Fest, you can get this kind of offers, which is really cheap, and at very low price you can buy the stuff. You can see it here, right? So these are the top selling deals and usually a deal of the day, so you can get it from here and utilize coupon and discount. So once you buy this a deal of the day, you can use this $100 to buy this product and you will get this product for absolutely free, right? So these are the methods you can do it, and it's really working. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.